Hello friends, before I start today's video, I have got something very important to share with you. Video को please skip ना करिएगा. Today I have been able to achieve almost 50,000 plus views in a very small amount of time. It is all possible because of your love and support. एक टाइम था ड्यूरिंग कोविड जब YouTube ने काफी बूम किया था इंडिया में. बहुत सारे YouTube चैनल ने काफी तेजी से उस समय ग्रो किया, बट आज के समय में YouTube में एक सैचुरेशन आ चुका है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सैचुरेशन आज के टाइम पे एक नया यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट करना, उस पर व्यूज आना या सब्सक्राइब करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट डिस्पाइट ऑफ ऑल दीज चैलेंजेस आई एम हियर टुडे मेकिंग वीडियोस फॉर यू. बस आपसे यही गुजारिश है कि इसी तरीके से अपना प्यार जो है वो देते रहिए एंड मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बिकॉज जब तक आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेंगे तब तक इस रिलेशन पे जो है वो परमानेंट स्टैंप नहीं लगेगी. सो चलिए आज का वीडियो जो है वो शुरू करते हैं. So hello friends, once again welcome to my channel Zero Charge. मेरा नाम है अंकित and in today's video we'll unbox a vacuum cleaner which is an all-rounder. The product that I'm talking about is Agaro Ace Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. ये एक all-rounder vacuum इसीलिए है because आप इससे पानी और डस्ट दोनों को वैक्यूम कर सकते हैं. So चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए इस प्रोडक्ट को अनबॉक्स एंड रिव्यू करते हैं. Inside the box we get one user manual, one warranty card. This comes with 1 year of standard warranty, one metal tube, one nozzle, one multi-purpose cleaning brush, one flexible pipe, floor and carpet cleaning brush, one water absorbing brush, one air filter, and finally the main unit which is Agaro Ace Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. If I talk about the build quality, my god, this is too good for the price. The dust collecting container is made of stainless steel. The capacity of this container is 21 liters, which is huge. At the bottom you get 360-degree rotating wheels for easy mobility. On top you get one handle for easy carrying. The top of the vacuum is also made of hard plastic, which is good. This is the on-off switch. There is also a rubber protection to avoid any shock. This is the suction port, and on the other side there is a blower port. You can attach air filter either on the blower or the suction port. So if you are using suction, attach the air filter on the blower port, and if you are using blower, attach the air filter on the suction port. On this vacuum, there are two clips to detach the dust container. You can see how easy it is to open. Inside this, there is a washable filter bag. The quality of this bag is really good. This is the motor part and it looks cool. You also get a 5-meter long power cord, which is good. You can easily store this wire on this hook. This is a 1600 watts vacuum, which makes it super powerful. It provides a suction of 21.5 kPa. Let's hear the sound of this vacuum. It sounds powerful. First I will connect the flexible pipe on the vacuum. Then I will connect the metal tube on the other end of the flexible pipe. Also you can expand this metal rod. At the end of this metal tube I can easily connect nozzle, multi-purpose brush, floor and carpet brush, and finally water absorbing brush. Let's first try dry vacuuming. You can see that there is lot of garbage and dust. I will use the floor cleaning brush. You can see how easily it is cleaning the entire dust and garbage. The results are fantastic and it is really a beast of a vacuum. Now let's clean this carpet. So I will press the brush button and the brush will come out. This carpet is actually very dirty. I am very hopeful that this will also be cleaned well. Finally the carpet is cleaned and honestly I am impressed. You can also use brush and nozzle accessories for cleaning small areas like your railing, behind your appliances, your car, and areas that are difficult to reach. Now let's try wet vacuuming. So now I have spilled water on the floor. I will be using water absorbing brush. So you can easily clean your floor if you have spilled water by accident or just want to do a wet floor cleaning. I really don't have words. All the water on the floor is sucked up and it is almost dry. Now let's try the blower function. With blower function you can easily blow dust from your balcony railing, your car interior, behind large appliances, or any other place you want to remove dust. Simply unlock these clips and detach the motor part. Discard all the dust in the dust container and the dust bag. You can also wash the dust bag, dry it and install it back. Once in a month you can also wash this air filter, dry it and install it back. And now your vacuum is ready to use again. Honestly saying, it is my personal favorite vacuum cleaner as it does a fantastic job. आई होप आप लोगों को आज का वीडियो Agaro का बीस्ट वैक्यूम क्लीनर जो है वो पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया होगा, लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं. With that note, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and keep watching Zero Charge. Jai Hind.